Okay, so now we are back again. I'm sorry for wasting so much of time. I was just trying to tell you what is it to earn hard money. So he earned his first wages by Abdul Kalam earned his first wages by distributing newspapers, right? Question 5. Had he earned any money before that? In what way? Answer is yes, he earned money before also. He used to collect the tamarind seeds and sell them to a provision shop on the Mosque Street. A day's collection would fetch him the princely sum of 1 anna. Okay, that's around about 50 paisa or 80 paisa or something like that it was. I don't know the actual thing. Now, the next questions are answer the following questions in a short paragraph about 30 words. How does the author describe number 1 his father, number 2 his mother, 3 himself? Okay. So the author describes his father as a wise and generous person. He felt happy when he helped others. He did not have much formal education and riches. He was a man of confidence and great wisdom. He avoided inessential comforts and luxuries. Number 1, father. Number 2, his mother was a noble and kind-hearted woman. She was to feed a large number of people. She had all the attributes of a typical Indian mother. Attributes of a typical Indian mother. Number 3, himself. I was born into a middle class Tamil family. I was a short boy with rather undistinguished looks, born to tall and handsome parents. I studied physics and aerospace engineering and became a scientist. Next part of the question is question 2. What characteristics does he say he inherited from his parents? The author inherited humility and benevolence from his parents. He learnt lessons in honesty and integrity from his parents. He was a self-disciplined because of his parents' exemplary life. Self-disciplined. He was self-disciplined because of his parents' exemplary life. Exemplary. Now, benevolence is rather we can say the sentence here it says also inherited humility and benevolence from his parents. Benevolence is the quality of being well-meaning or kindness, that quality comes from your parents. Humanity, humility and that benevolence came from his parents. Okay. And then we have this another word which is there here which I want, exemplary. What is exemplary? Okay, so that also I can give it to you. Exemplary means serving as a desirable model, very good. Exemplary, was a desirable model. His parents were his models. He followed his parents' disciplined life. That's how he became exemplary life. He was following the life of his parents. Discuss these questions in your class with your teacher and then write down your answers in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. Right? On the whole, the small society of Rameshwaram was very rigid in terms of the segregation of different social groups, says the author. Which social groups does he mention? Were these groups easily identifiable? For example, by the way they dressed? Were they aware only of the differences, or did they naturally share friendship and experiences? Think of the bedtime stories in Kalam's house of who his friends were and of what used to take place in the pond near his house. The author speaks both of people who were very aware of the differences among them and those who tried to bridge these differences. Can you identify such people in the text? Narrate two incidents that show how differences can be created and also how they can be resolved. How can people change their attitudes? Answer number one. The author the author talks about the people who belong to various castes and follow various religious preachings. Full stop. Yes, these groups were easily identifiable. Their dressing, traditions, culture, and rituals were different. The second number. They did share their personal experiences and friendships. Lakshmana Sastri summoned the teacher who separated the author and his friend in the class and told him that he should not spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance in the minds of innocent children. The school teacher encouraged communal differences, and Lakshmana Sastri and Siva Subramania Iyer discouraged this malpractice. Number 4, the influential people can do both the things. A teacher has the ability to bridge communal differences and can play with sentiments of the innocent and ignorant people. This is what the new teacher did. But the science teacher, Siva Subramania Iyer, changed his wife's attitude and showed her the right path. Okay, so we have to keep it till there. Next question, I'll come back in the next video and we'll do that. Why did Abdul Kalam want to leave Rameshwaram? What did his father say to this? What do you think his words mean? Why do you think he spoke those words? Okay, so the next